Vientiane Architecture and District Hall Construction Project at Khao Nhot Village, water supply production system has grown both quantity and quality. In addition, construction of P.D.R, Dong Mak Khai and Dong Bang water supply projects, Ban Keun water supply project, and extension of Jinai Mo water supply project in Vientiane capital, 4 Southern Provincial Project, 7 Northern Provincial Project, Vang Vieng, Luang Nam Tha, Tha Khek and Sai Sombun District water supply projects have been completed at basic level, which allows every urban area throughout the country and some cities to have access to water supply service. For local people in remote and mountainous areas have concentrated on accessing into gravity water. At present, clean water using rate covers 65% of all families throughout the country. Socio-economic development has essentially associated with human resource development, is upon education development in society. Thus, education plays a key role in community. By the end of 1975, Laos had illiterate people of 90% of the total population, while some of them had a low level of education with limited education network. After the proclaim of the Lao P.D.R's independence, education has been improved step by step. Education network has extended in every area of the country under the slogan, "Study is patriotism." Children's study of Lao people of all ethnic groups being lively carried out. Until now, almost all Lao people under 45 years old have been literate. Over the past 35 years, although it is a short distance of development, it can be seen apparently that education in the Lao P.D.R has a positive trend in several aspects from kindergarten to university level. Numerous of Lao people have studied in overseas and made great achievement to the nation's development. At present, there are more than 700 child care centers and kindergarten schools, including private schools, 8,507 primary schools, 1,125 secondary schools, with 1,125 secondary schools with 1,500,000 primary and secondary students. In relation to illiterate eradication and training to upgrade education over the past time, the party and government has paid attention to the issue and realized those mentioned works, as it can be seen that Lao people of all ethnic groups are eager to study and upgrade their education level. Every year, at least 10,000 local people and officials graduated their education at primary and upper secondary levels. Ministry of Education has organized basic vocational training and community education of nearly 200 venues across the country. About high vocational education and university, at present, there are more than 50 high vocational education institutes of both private and state running and additional 4 colleges. Together with the growth in quantity and quality of education, Ministry of Education also pays attention in teacher training to step forward to qualified teaching in every level of education in the Lao P.D.R, which has been actively contributed by Lao people of all ethnic groups. In the globalization era and borderless sport, the gaining of 33 gold medals during the 25th SEA Games hosted by Laos at the end of 2009 has been breaking through the history in the Lao sport. In the globalization era and borderless sport, the gaining of 33 gold medals during the 25th SEA Games hosted by Laos at the end of 2009 has been breaking through the history in Lao sports circle. It apparently reflects the capacity in organizing national and regional sport event as well as the achievement of Lao sports development. Over the past 35 years, Lao sport is among the tasks that has constant growth. The party and government have paid attention in promoting and enhancing sport actively. Organization structure has been improved in each phase from the central to grassroots level, including the making up of national strategy plan on sport until its completion. Sports role and importance from 1985, the National Sport Committee has decided to organize National Sport Festival regularly and sending Lao athletes to experience and take part in regional, continental, and international competition regularly, which led to higher achievement gradually, especially at the end of 2009 when Laos hosted the 25th SEA Games. The host has created great impression to attendance so that the country sent athletes to take part in the event agreed to present congratulation trophy of International Olympic Union to Laos. Such achievement has made Lao people admiration to the growth of Lao sport. The dignity and reputation seized by Lao Sport Committee to the nation and its people brings Lao Sport Committee to enter into membership of regional, continental, and international sport union. Public health sector has constantly stepped forward by recognizing vaccination work and community health promotion as a key issue. By the means of catching up health treats, modern medical equipment in response to social requirement, dropping vaccines, polio vaccination have been carried out continuously and have long-term impact. In 2000, polio had been eradicated from Laos. Additionally, transmitted disease control, diarrhea, and severe inflammation respiration have been practiced very well, which caused the decline of those diseases to only 1%. Dengue fever control has also been practiced very well in remote areas throughout the country, which caused the decline of dengue fever rate. Mother and child health have been carried out continuously, giving birth rate with assistance of medical staff and delivery women cover 95.1% of the total rate, which reduced the risk during birth delivery. Ministry of Public Health has promoted clean food consumption based on cleanliness principle together with the promotion and dissemination of iod salt among Lao people across the country. The quality of medical venues in central Vientiane, local areas and provinces has been improved by modernizing facilities and building emergency medical